become future stars. Chapter 2. Types of computer and its ports. Computers enable us to execute a wide range of tasks, from playing games to solving maths problems. They come in different sizes, from very large to very small. It is estimated that more than 1 billion computers are in use around the world today. There are numerous types of computers, and people usually choose the type on the tasks they want the computer to perform. Types of computers. Computers can be grouped into 3 major categories. 1. Based on size. 2. Based on functionality. 3. Based on purpose. Types of computers. Based on size. Based on their sizes and functions, computers are classified into 4 main types. Supercomputer. Supercomputers are the fastest and most powerful computers. They are used by organizations that work with weather forecasting, space research, climate research, and scientific experiments. These tasks require very high processing speed and performance. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are large computers used by big companies and government offices to manage large amounts of data. They are used for managing customer records, census data, and financial transactions. For example, they are used in systems that handle stock trading. Minicomputer. Minicomputers were first introduced in the mid-1960s. They are smaller than mainframe computers. They were designed for easier use by people and were also cost-effective. PDP-11, PDP-8, and HP 3000 are examples. Microcomputers or personal computers. A microcomputer is a compact computer with a microprocessor and a central processing unit, CPU. It is affordable and used in homes, schools, and offices. It has all the important parts built on a single circuit board. Desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones are examples of PC. A desktop computer is a personal computer that is designed to stay at one location and fits on or under a desk. It typically has a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and a CPU, system unit. A laptop computer, or notebook, is a portable personal computer that is small enough to rest on the user's lap and can be powered by a battery. It includes a flip-down screen and a keyboard with a touchpad. A tablet is a wireless touchscreen PC that is slightly smaller and weighs less than the average laptop. It is commonly used by professionals in various organizations. A smartphone is a mobile phone that performs many of the functions of a personal computer. Types of computers based on functionality. The 3 types of computers along with their functions are given below. Analog computers. Analog computers are used to measure things that change continuously, such as temperature, speed, pressure, or voltage. These computers do not give exact values but give approximate results. These computers are generally used for scientific and industrial purposes. Examples include thermometers, speedometers, analog clocks, seismometers, and weather predictors. Digital computers. Digital computers solve problems in a special way. They use only 2 numbers, 0 and 1. This helps them manage lots of information and do many tasks. Examples include calculators, digital clocks, weighing machines, computers, and smartphones. Hybrid computers. Hybrid computers have characteristics of both analog and digital computers. Digital features solve problems using numbers and logic, while analog features help measure changing things like heat or movement. Examples of hybrid computers are ATM machine, heartbeat measuring machine, etc. Types of computers based on purpose. There are 2 main types of computers based on their purpose. General purpose computers. Based on general purpose, there are the following functions that a device is expected to perform. 1. Basic input-output functions. 2. Calculations. 3. Data saving on a smaller scale. 4. General activities. These may include basic calculators, laptops, desktop computers, mobile phones, etc., which can help people with their basic necessary functions. Special purpose computers. When a computer is designed specifically to perform a special function, such a type of computer is known as a special purpose computer. These types may include 1. Thermometers to measure temperature. 2. Generators to manage electricity. 3. Devices used for analyzing climate change. 4. Large computers for IT companies. 5. Machines used in manufacturing units. The special purpose computers are important for various organizations, and their applications are made in a way that makes the work easy and efficient. Computer ports. A computer port is a point of connection or an interface between a computer and its peripheral devices. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, speaker, and flash drive are examples of common peripherals. The primary function of a computer port is to facilitate data transfer between the computer and connected devices. Characteristics of ports. A port has two main characteristics. 1. External devices are connected to a computer using cables and ports. 2. Ports are slots on the motherboard into which a cable from an external device is plugged in. Types of ports. Let us learn about some important types of ports. Infrared port. An infrared (IR) port sends and receives infrared signals from other devices. It is a kind of wireless port with a limited range of 5 to 10 feet. USB port. A universal serial bus (USB) port connects devices such as a mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. to a computer. Display port. A display port connects the monitor to the computer using a cable. These can be of different types, like video graphics array, VGA, port, high definition multimedia interface, HDMI, port, etc. Network port. A network port connects the internet and network cable to a computer. Audio port. An audio port helps connect microphone, speaker or headphone to a computer system. Power port. A power port connects the computer system to the power supply. InfoSol. Some of the modern LCDs and LED support VGA ports, but it may affect on the quality of the video. Reboot. There are numerous types of computers, and people usually choose the type on the tasks they want the computer to perform. Computers can be grouped into three major categories: size, functionality, and purpose. Mini-computers were first introduced in the mid-1960s. They are smaller than mainframe computers. Desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones are the various types of PC. Hybrid computers have characteristics of both analog and digital computers. General purpose and special purpose computers are the two varieties of computers based on purpose. Ports are used to plug in computer devices. Words roster. Forecasting, predict or estimate. Retains, hold on. Like, share, and subscribe.